this is pretty much the old school of the AI application. Very easy to use, nothing not hard for you to know, honestly. So here you have a lot of templates which you can use. All you have to do, guys, is pretty much upload a full body image for you to get these results. It's very simple. So you can pretty much scroll and look whichever dancing or whichever one of these templates you may be interested in. And let's say, for example, you may be interested in the seawall dance. Let's say, for example. So this one here, as you can see, it does recommend to upload a full body photo of yourself or anyone that you may want to let them do the seawall dance. As you can see, you can see other videos showing other people doing it as well, not just people, as you can see your animal as well. So all of them is just upon use effects or use effect and pretty much go ahead and upload your image here. As you can see, you're top on the plus icon, and once you do tap on the plus icon, you're pretty much good to go. Very simple, very simple, and it will just carry you to your profile section on your photo section or gallery, and from there you just select your photo that you want to use and you're good to go. So you can tap on the bell icon for you to get more information as it relates to the photo that you should upload or how the photos should look once you're uploading them. As you can see, they do give you bad examples and as well how the photo should look for you to get the best results. So very easy application to use, guys. All you have to do is just find the template that you'd like to use, whether this dancing template, that dancing templates, all upon you guys. So you do have the create dance section here. You do get options to like upload videos and pretty much upload a photo and generate a dancing video basically. So this section here is pretty much where you upload your video and your photo, sorry. This is where you upload your full body photo of yourself, or if you're using some AI character that you may want to use the motion to, then you can pretty much upload a full body image of your AI character. Then in this section here, you upload your AI your video or the video that you want to replicate. Let's say, for example, I found a video on TikTok. You can pretty much go ahead and download that video from TikTok and pretty much upload it here along with my AI character or a full body image of myself, and I'll be able to replicate that. Very simple. So do keep in mind, this application here is not for free. As well, in the creation section, you pretty much find everything that you have created in this section here. So very easy to use, guys. And as well, you do have the upgrade option. You can just tap on the upgrade and to get your subscription. As you can see here, this is pretty much your prices. They're about weekly, and here the subscription. And they do give you a discount once it's your first time pretty much purchasing your subscription, as you can see here. So very good application. It's very easy to use. Anyone can use this AI application here. All you have to do is pretty much upload a clear image of yourself or a clear image of something, or if you have an AI character that you may want to replicate some dance and move, then this application is for you. Links in the description or links in the video description. Pretty much go check out the application and let me know in the comment section what your thoughts. If I miss anything, let me know as well, and I'll see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.